It's the good stuff. We gotta have it today. We are taking the Granite Voltage out here on the RC car track. See if it's any good. Well, hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking the little Granite Voltage here. Gonna run it here on the local RC track. See if this little two-wheel drive is any good in this kind of environment. And you know what, I did something really dumb. I don't clip the body when I'm at home because I know I'm gonna have to take it back off and put a battery in it. And I just leave the clips here in the bed. Totally forgot about it. Snatched this thing, came out here. I don't have the first body clip. So see these pretty red ones? That's from the Mad Van that I happen to have with me today. So thank you to the Mad Van for letting me borrow your clips. Oh, can't believe I did that. Can't believe that. Let's make sure this thing is set up. All right, this is gonna test my driving. Oh, wow. This, oh. Probably what it should be is way up there. So I can see the problem is if I go up there and this thing goes off track, like I'm sure it will. Ooh, I'll tell you, it's been raining the past couple of days. Even my four-wheel drives out here have been slick and great. I just realized I got leaf blowers in the background. Awesome. Oh man, this is horrible. This is not oh, good grief. I guess these tires are not very good and I got that noise, so I'm just gonna wrap this up here, and instead of this being a whole video, this is why you're seeing it in the vlog. Look at it, it doesn't even want to climb this hill. These tires are not good for dirt. Look, it can't even climb these hills. Look, I didn't even touch it. Oh wow. Yeah, it's about uncontrollable out here, I think. Maybe if it was drier, or just probably need better tires. I don't. Wow, this thing is, it's all over the place. Wow. Yeah, this is this is not very good. Not out here. No. All right. Look, it can't even climb these hills. It's just spinning the tires. The two that it can. Look. I mean, I'm literally like not even steering. It's just the see, watch. Oh, now you act. Wow, thanks. See, it's kind of all over the place. Yeah. Alrighty. I so want this to work. I keep just thinking maybe it's my driving, which I'm pretty sure I could probably be a better driver at this, but man, I mean, watch. Like, I just turned the wheel and it's spinning. See? Not even like I'm on power. Yeah, this is not very good here. I would have to really, well, I guess if you really slow it down. Yeah, if you go really slow, you can manage. You go really, really slow. And this is where I lose. I can't see. See, for you guys, understand the GoPro is up above my eyes, on top of my head. So what you see in the camera is a little bit better view than what I actually get. Maybe this won't be a vlog video. Maybe this will just be an actual. It's gonna be very short. Man, those guys with the blowers. Ugh. Serious. Look at what the back end just. So I would say if you did want to run this at a track, a dirt track, I would probably look at some better tires. Steering is really fast for this too, so freaking I guess I should stop. Wow, recording because of freaking leaf blowers, which I'm gonna have to stop anyhow. This battery does not last. Look, I can't even get up the hill. Look, it's just in there spinning. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here because on this part it's just really struggling. And these guys don't obviously get paid by the hour to blow out the skate park. Oh man. There they go again. I thought they would finally be done. Anyhow, it's good. Okay, it's good. It's positive. They're keeping the skate park clean. I could go run my RCs over there, hopefully. Have a little fun. It's mostly why I came here. Is to run that, shoot several videos and go bash over there at the skate park. But it's gonna sound really horrible if I go over there now. But yeah, okay everyone, so the Granite Voltage, like I said, for this I think you probably definitely need to invest in some better tires. If you wanted to run competitively out here, I mean, you can still have fun just goofing around, sliding everywhere. It's not a problem. But if, like I said, if you want to get into racing, I'm not even sure what class or anything. Look, you guys think I'm kidding about this? It has like no traction out here, and it's just a nickel metal high drive brush motor. Wow, it's just, it's like it's on ice. Come on. There you go. All right, everyone. Well, hope you had fun and learned something. It's always cool to take any RC out and have a little fun with it. So now I got all these RCs I have to go home and wash because they're all gonna be covered in this red clay. Ugh. But anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed the Granite Voltage out here at the track. And subscribe. We got way more RC adventures. We're gonna have some bashing going on. We got some track stuff. We're gonna be back at the BMX park with many more stuff. And who knows what 2024 is gonna hold in store for us. More cars, more flying, more damage, whatever, I don't know. Hopefully not, but I still got the jet that I'm trying to learn to fly. So that's awesome. All right, everyone. Like, shares, comments appreciated. Please subscribe if you haven't. Support the channel. Links down below. Got you some cool discounts and free ways of helping the channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.